against it.
Yeah. Yeah, you can see the left one. She's not pushing off on that left side.
No, she's never yelped before, and this is when she went to get up after lying down.
So when she gets up from lying down, that's when she gets the pain a bit. It's very mechanical. Has she always had that? Or is that
I've only had her for a year, so I don't know. She was a little rescue.
Oh, was she? Yeah. This area here is really quite just in there.
And she's not making a noise to it. So
Yeah, that's the one there.
Yeah.
She doesn't like that at all.
No.
So what we're going to try and do, I'm going to try and just release that very gently. Just check that here. That's okay. So what I'm doing is linking into her breathing to see how that vertebra is moving as well during her respiration. So you see that curve she's got up through basically the thoracics. This is the anticlinal here, so she's really quite flexed through there. And that one there, when I find that when they've got lumbar problems here, they tend to, or they're moving, they tend to compensate a lot. And they tend to use their soluses to bring themselves forward, so they tend to arch their back. But that's the problem there, and it's got another one there.
That is more exaggerated than normal.
Yeah, I know. That's because of the pain problem she's got. That's what I'm saying. So,
bound up and down the stairs like a 2-year-old. But it does hurt. Dogs are very good though at hiding their injuries and things.
That's the one here. This one here in the lower. You can actually see. I'm going to see if I can get a reaction out of her. But she's that one there. Yeah. There's that one there. Yeah. That's definitely, she's got a bit of arthritis in there.
Yes.
Support that. It's only a little nudge on that. It's okay. It's okay. That's it. That's moved it.
Yeah.
That's much better. Because I've got to be really careful in how I do that, because otherwise that's sort of, and just a little one there. It's just, they're like little taps.
Yes, there's not much up there, and she's
a
bit elderly.
That's it. That shifted nicely. Wow.
Good.
I've got a really good shift on that one.
That's why I think
that popped, but
you felt it. Yes.
But it's just, and we'll know in a minute. And she's great. Like she didn't even flinch on that, so it didn't hurt her too much. I'm just checking the neck. This one here. See if you can turn her head that way. Maybe she's got a trip problem this way. Go this way. Yeah, that way's easier. This way she's got a problem with that. Yeah, that first. At T1, I'm going to try and get that little. It's okay, little one. It's okay. And just a little nudge on that. That's it. And let me see. And that turns right around now.
It's good. You've got a nice subtlety in that touch.
Yeah. You can see now.
It's already dropped.
It's dropped quite a bit. She's able to extend. Yeah. She's moving much better then.
Well, her back, left leg in particular seems to be better.
Yeah. So, follow the line. Look at it again.
Maybe.